TFNN Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. My voice is a little weak. My throat is a little bit better, but we've got so many things happening. I think it's important that we take a look at them. Of course, here you can see this is the one we've been waiting for, the big ABCD in the British pound up there, 126 and change. We're now trading down about 60 handles, about 350, about $400 from the high. We go above 160, above 127, then this was, well, 126.50. Would certainly say this is not a trade that is working, but right now it's done absolutely everything necessary. Now this is the daily. If we look at this on a little shorter time frame, going from high to low, you'll see that you make a perfect butterfly pattern up here. At the same time, we're hitting the 382. Now that's very important. Now if we look at this on a real short-term basis, you can see we've had there was the early morning high. We've come down this far. So far we're bouncing around, doing very, very little, but at least it started to work. We've talked about this several times over the past, but let's go and look at some of the other things that we've been waiting for. Here's the one, is the dollar. Let's try it again, Larry. This is the we recommended buying the cattle here at 194.30, and it's right now it's up $1.50 from where we thought it was going to be. And we'll get this on a smaller time frame, and you'll be able to see what we're looking at here this morning. There was the number coming in right here. We hit it pretty much spot on. Now we rallied. We're up about $2, well, $1.50, $600 from where we were looking at it. Now since that time, you'll see from yesterday's high to today's high, we went to above the 50% level, and now we're just hanging in here. Now, what you do now is you'd have your stop at break even, because right now this would have $600 American profit, and if it were to work, you don't want it to go to a negative, so you'd have your stop working at this place right here. All right, now we're going to have Rich Anderson coming on as a guest here in a moment to talk about the gold market, because I think that's the one that is quite interesting. Let me get this up here to see where we are here. Hold on a second here. There's the gold here on a short-term basis. Let's look at it on a larger term basis. Okay, we're back up here near the highs. Now remember yesterday, folks, over the weekend, I thought this market had reached a high, and I recommended selling the 382 level right here, which actually worked for about $12. There was the key right here. At that level, you can see all during this time,